Okay, now the next step we're going to learn is the stomp. Now stomping for me has two variations. You can pick it up and you can bring it down. This is a movement that can feel a little bit backwards for people that are starting to learn it, so take your time. It's a precursor to a step called the farmer that we'll learn later, but we're going to start with stomping for now, and just like the heel toe, I want you to think about how to emphasize your jack and your body movement so that it doesn't feel like you're just lifting your legs or putting them down. Every one of these steps wants to be a full body experience so that you can really emphasize the raw energy of the dance. So now we're going to learn the stomp. The stomp is going to feel a little bit backwards in that you're trying to emphasize the downbeat as you lift your knees. So that's how we're starting here. Try to establish a rhythmic timing between lifting your left leg and alternating between lifting your right leg, as if you were marching. After you've tried slow, try increasing the speed between 2 steps on each side. Your timing should be lifting on the 1, dropping on the and. 1 and 2 and. Don't stand all the way straight up. Try to keep your abs braced so it feels like you're pulling your knees up towards your chest. Maintain good posture, but again, brace your abs and use your hip rock to add the jack over your movement. When you put your foot down, try to spring up right away, whether you're doing it on the same leg or switching your weight to the other leg. When you lift your knee, try to lift it up past your hip height, so that way you have to use your body more to make this step more efficient. You can also stomp downwards, sending energy into the floor. Don't let your foot just drop, because you want to use that drop to send momentum up into your next stomping movement. If you're switching between your up and your down, you use your jack to smoothly transition between your up and your down and then back up again. You can try one side over and over again like I'm doing to get this idea into your body. You'll notice that I can switch sides. I can lift and stomp with my opposite foot, then that leg that stomped pulls up, and then I stomp on the opposite side. As you build up speed, you have to maintain the jack in your hips. You can also jump into the downward stomp using both your feet. Doing this will create a bigger jack to send your knee up into the next movement.